A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video. And in this video, we are going to see the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, that is the agriculture and the allied sector allocations, which is made in May 2020. And before getting into the video, I want to share a few points regarding this Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. And yes, it refers to self-reliant India, and it is the 20 lakh crore project announced during mid of May 2020. In total, there are 5 tranches with 50 measures, of which the third tranche deals with the agriculture and the allied sector. And there are 11 measures in this third tranche, of which 8 is related to the strengthening of infrastructure capacities and building better logistics, and the remaining 3 deals with the governance and the administration regard. And come on, now get into the video. Very firstly, the center will immediately create a corpus of 1 lakh crore for Agri Infrastructure Development Fund for the farm gate infrastructure for farmers. That is 1 lakh crore for agriculture infrastructure farm gate development. And then second, the government will launch a 10,000 crore scheme for formalization of microfood enterprises. That is, government will launch 10,000 crore for formalization of MFE. The scheme promotes PM's vision of vocal for local with global outreach. It was mentioned by our finance minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. And then the third one, the center will launch the 20,000 crore Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana for development of marine and inland fisheries. You have to remember the amount and the scheme for which it is allocated. And our finance minister said that 55 lakh people are expected to get employment from this program. Coming to the point 4, the National Animal Disease Control Program for Foot and Mouth Disease FMD and brucellosis has been launched with an outlay of 13,343 crore set by our finance minister, and this will ensure 100% vaccination of cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat and pig population for FMD and brucellosis. Coming to the fifth one, an animal husbandry infrastructure development fund of 15,000 crore will be allocated, and this aims at supporting private investment in the dairy processing, value addition and cattle feed infrastructure. For the agriculture infrastructure farm gate development, they have allocated 1 lakh crore. For animal husbandry infrastructure development, they have allocated 15,000 crore. The sixth point, the minister said that 4,000 crore has been allocated for the promotion of herbal cultivation, and that 10 lakh hectare will be covered in the next 2 years. That is, in the next 2 years, 10 lakh hectare will be covered with an outlay of 4,000 crore for the promotion of herbal cultivation. And the National Medicinal Plants Board will bring 800 hectare area by developing a corridor of medicinal plants along the banks of the river Ganga. Coming to the seventh one, the Indian government will implement a 5 crore scheme of infrastructure development related to beekeeping development centers, marketing and storage centers, post harvest and value addition facilities, etc. That is 500 crore for infrastructure development related to beekeeping, and this will lead to an increase in income of 2 lakh beekeepers. And the eighth one, Operation Green scheme to be extended from top to total. That is, top refers to tomato, onion and potato, and this scheme will be extended to other fruits and vegetables also. And then the ninth one, the center will amend the Essential Commodities Act to enable better price realization for farmers. And then the agriculture products including cereals, edible oils, oil seeds, pulses, onions and potatoes will be deregulated. And this point will be related to the governance point of view. And then the 10th one, the facilitative legal framework will be created to enable farmers to engage with processors, aggregators, large retailers and exporters in a fair and transparent manner. And this is also related to the governance and administration. And the 11th one and the final point is a central law will be formulated to provide adequate choices to the farmers to sell their produce at an attractive price, having a barrier-free interstate trade and framework for e-trading of agricultural produce. And with this, all the 11 things end. The first 8 deals with the infrastructure development and capacity building, etc. And the last 3 deals with, as I said, it is related to governance and administration point of view. And these 11 are the agriculture and allied sector related measures that have been taken for the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, that is the self-reliant India. I have summarized everything that we have discussed before. That is, for agriculture infrastructure farm gate development, they have allocated 1 lakh crore. And for the formalization of microfood enterprises, they have allocated 10,000 crore. Animal husbandry infrastructure development, they have allocated 15,000 crore. And for the infrastructure development for beekeeping activities, they have allocated 500 crore. And then for foot and mouth disease and brucellosis control, they have allocated 13,343 crore. And for the herbal cultivation, they have allocated 4,000 crore. And for Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, they have allocated 20,000 crore. And in final, in the Operation Green scheme, from top to total, they have allocated 500 crore. I hope you have understood the things. And with this, the video comes to an end, and I hope the content will be very much useful to you. Any queries regarding will be welcomed through the comments and the personal mail. Keep on watching and do subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon for our next earliest updates. And thank you for watching.